city has taken more than 100 years. The real Machu Picchu has taken 4 generations. The first what started was Pachacute. Don't forget, Pachacute was in life the most the Inca Empire. He is what reorganized. He is what reconstructed the Inca Empire. That's why this monument is seated just at the central part of Aguascalientes village, down below. So, this city will be constructed. Sorry. Just to be closer to the sun god, to the cosmic god, like the temples in Ollantaytambo, because here is also to protect from their enemies, the city. You know, since the Incas were standing their territory in the jungle, here will be the capital of this region, which is like the jungle. So from Machu Picchu they will start also to continue to Vilcabamba, from Vilcabamba to Choquequirao, from Choquequirao to Incapata. You know about Incapata, was discovered just a few months ago. Very similar to Machu Picchu, just into the jungle. Because like every